No reason why you need to laugh.
Dude,
What's up?
what's up?
I tried.
You try? I'm trying too.
But like, instead of my boss, he like made me get fired at work.
What? What did you say?
Your boss fired you?
Yep.
For what?
So I'm gonna pay. This isn't bad.
For what?
I didn't pay attention.
You didn't pay attention. So your boss fired you? Well, what's up with that?
Oh, he just fired me before I went to work.
Cubby, what's your computer from?
What's up with that, yo?
Yo.
Yo.
I tried.
You tried? That's all you can do, right?
Yeah. Fine.
You see it?
No. Dude.
You gonna try to get your job back?
I will.
You will?
Yeah.
Well, what makes you think you're gonna get it back?
And my boss fired me.
When he unfires you? You're funny.
I'm trying to make a
Here,
joke.
I can say.